Cranston, Rhode Island. A routine traffic stop. What's hidden in this car will end a college career. The driver, a Providence College finance student, heading to Firestone for an oil change. That was the story. The officer asked the right questions. The driver gave the wrong answers voluntarily.
I wanted you to pull to the right, that's all.
Okay, sounds good.
No, it's all right. We're here now. It's all set.
Okay.
Sorry
about
Just gotta wear your seatbelt the right way, okay?
Sorry about
You got your registration insurance?
Yes.
All right, just hop out, guys.
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, let's talk to you outside of the car. Any weapons on you?
No weapons. I'm going to get a oil change at Firestone. Literally right down the road. And I got 2 nails in the tire, so right after that, I'm trying to get that situated.
And where are you coming from now?
School. I go to Providence College.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You see? What do you study there?
Finance.
Finance?
I went to Roger Williams, did 1 year criminal justice, transfer there.
Right on. Cool, man. What do you do for work?
Right now I'm a bus driver. I'm a bus monitor.
Yeah.
I want to become a bus driver. My mom's a bus driver. She's trying to get me in that. And I'm a lifeguard on weekends.
How's your license?
My license is good. I just got into an accident.
It's all active though?
Yeah, everything's active.
No warrants or anything
No,
like that? You ever been arrested?
Never been arrested.
Never in your life?
Never in my life.
So you're not on probation, bail, parole, nothing like that? Have you had any recent tickets or anything?
I probably got like a speeding ticket about a couple months ago.
Anything illegal in the car?
No, nothing illegal.
Okay. No firearms?
No firearms.
No cocaine? No large amounts of U.S. currency?
It's probably like $1,000 in the car.
$1,000? Okay. Fentanyl? Marijuana? Large amounts of marijuana?
I mean, I smoke marijuana, but...
Yeah, no big deal.
No.
No large amounts of marijuana in the car? Okay. No unprescribed medications?
No.
Okay. What's in the... Is it that all medical marijuana in the trash bag?
Yeah.
In the back?
But there's probably like...
Are they empty or full?
Well, a lot of the boxes are empty, but there's
There's like 1,000 of them in there.
No.
Trash bag's full, so no big deal.
Not 1,000.
Yeah. I mean, there's a lot. It's full, so.
I like smoke a lot. I'm a smoker.
Yeah, that's cool.
But
Okay.
I don't do nothing else. I'm a college.
Yeah, I got you. Anything legal on you?
No.
Is there anything to pat you down?
Yeah.
All right, just don't phone. Put your hands in the car, relax. Right here. There you go. So you've never been in trouble?
Never been in trouble.
Have a seat in my car. You're not under arrest, okay?
Alright.
Just being detained for now, okay? Alright, listen, I've been doing this a long time, alright? All I look for is drugs and guns. So if you're forthcoming with me, I'm gonna be cool with you. I'm just telling you my job. I'm telling you my side, alright?
I understand.
So, obviously I have a job to do, alright? And I'm good at my job, alright? You're displaying a lot of things to me that make me very suspicious.
No, I totally understand.
Alright? So, this is kind of your last opportunity. If there's anything small in that car, honestly, I don't care about small amounts of any drugs.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you, just a little bit of marijuana.
Yeah.
Not that much.
What's a little bit?
Probably like literally 2 ounces.
2 ounces.
It's just in boxes, so it looks a lot.
Yeah, I got you. Alright, just hang tight for me.
And I have my cell phones in there, but
yeah, how many phones you got? Sorry,
there's probably like
5 in there.
but a lot of those are not even like on.
They don't function?
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
A lot of them aren't.
Alright, just hang tight for me, bro.
Appreciate it.
Did you just leave the dispensary? Is that why it's all in the car, or what's the story?
Well, honestly, I smoke a lot of freaking weed, bro. A lot of fucking weed.
Okay.
So I like to keep a lot on me. Well, not a lot. I don't really consider that a lot.
Do you sell it, or what?
I wouldn't say I sell it. Like, my brothers...
Hook your boys up, whatever?
My brothers smoke a lot of weed. I have a lot of siblings.
Okay.
So my brothers need weed, I'll give them weed and stuff like that, but I wouldn't call myself like that.
No cocaine. His words, 11 kilos would answer that question later. 5 phones, 2 ounces of marijuana, quote. For the brothers. He didn't call himself a dealer. The inventory did. Under Rhode Island law, cocaine over 1 kilogram with intent to deliver carries a mandatory minimum of 10 years. Not a guideline. A floor. He had 11 kilos. He was detained, not arrested. Under Terry Vise, Ohio, officers can detain on reasonable, articulable suspicion. 5 phones, cash, and a trash bag of marijuana gave them more than enough. The subject was read his Miranda rights. He waived them. He kept talking. Under Miranda versus Arizona, every word after that waiver belongs to the prosecution.
Go ahead.
Focus on 119 for 7 Didn't call 911. Detained. Yeah, 2700 series.
Good?
Want to talk to me?
For what?
It's behind the cup holder.
Behind the cup holder?
In the back seat.
I don't know what you're talking about, boss.
Is that a freaking kilo, dude? Oh my god. Holy shit.
You're right.
You good?
I'm gonna read you your rights, okay?
5, I'm en route.
I'm gonna read you your rights, okay?
Absolutely.
10-4.
Just hang on, wait for another officer, okay? Just kind of witness it, okay?
What's going on?
I just found some stuff in your car that we gotta talk about. Okay?
Some stuff.
Yep. So just hang tight for me.
He kept coming back.
Look right here. Oh, I got it. Look this way and then over. Look, it's all cut out. It's not normal.
You said what? Oh, never mind.
See it? There's two over here too.
Definitely.
It's a kilo,
Definitely.
right?
Definitely.
Grab sir, can you grab me my phone? Rights, do you understand?
Absolutely.
Okay. Do you want to talk to me?
I don't know what's going on.
I found some packages in the rear quarter of your vehicle that are indicative of heavy amount of narcotics.
Okay.
What do you know about it?
I don't know nothing about it.
Okay. So you don't know if this car's loaded with a bunch of kilos?
I don't know nothing about
Because
it.
it's loaded with a bunch of kilos.
I really don't know nothing.
Okay. Nah, he's not talking to me. Yes, I just want to get one quick.
She's his girlfriend?
I don't know. She pulled up. I got it. Hey, can you hold that like that?
I got it.
I'm just trying to grab these.
We'll just leave them in there. Well, actually, you already got a picture of them? Want to get another phone?
Yeah, I got some. God, we just need this.
My hands are small.
Yeah, not because it's getting in the way.
No, right there. Pull, give me one good pull back now.
Oh, baby.
One more. Hang on.
Yeah. All right, I got it. All right, watch your hands.
Go ahead, bro.
Alright, move that. Look out, move that. Oh shit, yeah. I think I just broke your multi-tool.
I don't care.
It's worth it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Just leave them all right here for now.
You can see it's fat.
Yeah. That could be anything. Could be fat coke. Oh my goodness gracious. This is insane.
5, 4.
Holy shit. They coming. Keep coming, baby. Keep coming. Holy fuck.
Hang on. Can I see a flashlight, bro? Please.
Call who? Alright, this whole fender's got it, because this whole fender's loaded.
Yeah, you gotta bring it off.
This whole fender's loaded, I think.
We're gonna call narcotics.
Hold on, let me do my thing before we get down the valve, please. I don't know. Alright, put your hands behind your back. Alright, you're under arrest, okay?
Anyway, you can loosen these a little bit.
Yeah, I told you I'm gonna be cool with you as long as you're cool with me. And that's how handcuffs fit. They fit you perfectly. I can stick my finger in there. You're okay. Thank you.
It's all back there.
Field, Peter King, 477. 10-4.
9, there's gotta be 10, right? It's gotta be.
Yeah, let's just put that.
Oh, this has to stay right there. That's the money shot. That's the money shot. That's everything I've worked for.
Behind the cup holder, the subject said it himself, then denied knowing what was there. That is not a defensible position. Officers found a purpose-built hidden compartment inside the rear quarter panel, professionally constructed. Designed to survive traffic stops, it didn't survive this one. One package, then another, then another. The compartment kept delivering. 8, Tensin, 11 kilos of cocaine, plus pressed fentanyl pills and a full bag of marijuana edibles. Total estimated street value, $385,000 in a city car. On a routine stop, the colonel called it highly unusual. That is an understatement. The charges: possession of cocaine over 1 kilogram with intent to deliver. 2 counts of Schedule II narcotics possession. Possession of marijuana with intent to deliver. He was held without bail. Status conference April 3rd. Lafdam, Launchenling Urshawu. Grade officers. A. Methodical. Patient. They let him talk. And he talked. Under Graham versus Connor, officer conduct is evaluated on facts known in the moment, not in hindsight. Every decision here holds up. Grade Lopez, F. He denied cocaine to an officer while sitting 3 feet from 11 kilos. He voluntarily disclosed 5 phones, cash, and marijuana, then claimed ignorance about a compartment built into his own car. Under Miranda versus Arizona, rights were read. Rights were waived. Every statement he made after that waiver is admissible. He didn't just hand them evidence. He handed them a case. 3 legal lessons from this stop. 1. A hidden compartment built for trafficking confirms intent at any weight. 2. Detention is not arrest, but your words are still usable. 3. Rhode Island's mandatory minimum for over 1 kilogram removes judicial discretion entirely. 11 kilos does not help that number. There is a constitutional right to remain silent. It was available. It was not used. The right to an attorney was also available. It was not requested. This is what it looks like when the system works exactly as designed. An experienced officer, a chatty subject, a compartment full of cocaine that never made it to the street. Subscribe for more bodycam breakdowns. What do you think the sentence should be? Drop it in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.
In total, police seized an estimated $385,000 worth of drugs during the traffic stop, including 11 kilos of cocaine, 11 pressed fentanyl pills, and a garbage bag full of marijuana-infused edibles. In a city environment, to seize 11 kilos at a traffic stop, it's highly unusual. Cranston Police Department, in accordance with our student conduct policy. He was charged with possession of cocaine over 1 kilogram, with intent to deliver, 2 counts of possession of Schedule II narcotics under 10 grams, and possession of marijuana, with intent to deliver. He was held without bail, with a status conference scheduled for April 3, 2025.